galaxies in the universe. One of them is our Milky Way. There are many stars in the Milky Way galaxy. One of them is our solar system. Today we are gonna learn about some star systems. A star system may consist of 1 to 3 or more stars, and there will be at least one planet in a star system. There can be 1 to 10 planets in a star system. Together, a star system may consist of unlimited comets, asteroids, and meteoroids. A star system also has thousands of dusts and gases. Solar system. The solar system consists of one star, 5 dwarf planets, and 8 planets. The sun is our solar system center. Sun is 4.6 billion years old. Its diameter is 1.3 million kilometers. It's a yellow dwarf star. Its surface temperature is 5500 degrees Celsius. The 8 planets orbit the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, and Neptune. Mercury is the nearest planet from Sun. Mercury does not have any satellites or rings. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus does not have any planet too. Earth have one moon. Mars have 2 moons. Jupiter is our solar system's largest planet. It has 79 satellites. Saturn has 82 satellites as well as a beautiful ring. This is our solar system's lighted planet. Venus is our solar system's coolest planet. It has 27 satellites. Neptune has 14 satellites. Alpha Centauri. Alpha Centauri is situated at 4.3 light years from the solar system. The nearest star system from solar system is Alpha Centauri. There are total 3 stars in Alpha Centauri. Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri B, and Proxima Centauri. Alpha Centauri A and B are twin stars. Together, both of them are called Alpha Centauri AB. Alpha Centauri A is the most big and brightest star in Alpha Centauri. It's a yellow dwarf star. Alpha Centauri B is the medium-sized star in Alpha Centauri. It's an orange dwarf star. Alpha Centauri C, also called Proxima Centauri, is the most smallest star and is the lowest bright star in Alpha Centauri. It's a small red dwarf star. It orbits the Alpha Centauri A and B. 2 planets orbit Proxima Centauri star, Proxima Centauri B and Proxima Centauri C. Proxima Centauri C is situated at the Proxima star's habitable zone, so its surface temperature will be minus 12 degrees to 102 degrees Celsius. And the most important point is Proxima Centauri C may have life in it. To see is there any life on Proxima Centauri C, scientists are planning to send Breakthrough Starshot after 20 years. The Breakthrough Starshot will be propelled by visible lasers. After 1 hour, Breakthrough Starshot will get the 20% speed of light. Its speed will be 37,000 miles per hour. It will take 20 years to reach Proxima Centauri C. But we cannot even stop in on Proxima Centauri C because of its high speed. That's why when it will reach Proxima Centauri C planet, we will get only few nanoseconds to capture its photographs. That's why its creators have said to send thousands of Breakthrough Starshot instead of one. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, click on the red subscribe button and then a notification bell will appear. Click on it and then click on all. Now you will get the notifications when I will upload a new video. So goodbye and Thanks for watching.